So I'm sure so many people are on this particular boat of slow growth, as you guys will target. So I will try to address this in different ways, right? First off, you might think that your hair growth is actually slow, but in the real sense, it is not as slow as you think, right? Because there are various factors. Number one, your hair is growing, quite alright. Everybody's hair is actually growing, except if you have like an underlying health issue or you have like traction alopecia or whatnot, right? If you don't have traction alopecia or you don't have any underlying health issue or whatnot, your hair is actually growing. But the issue is majority don't retain the length. And I spoke about length retention in my previous videos. You can just check it. I recently posted it so you can check it. How to retain length so that you can see visible growth. But let's say that is not the case. Your hair is growing and you are retaining length, but you still feel like it is extremely slow. These are ways you can actually, stimulate more growth, right? Number one, the use of Ayurvedic herbs. You see everybody using rosemary oil. They infuse rosemary, fenugreek, flaxseed, and whatnot. It is extremely good. I, for one, when I infused rosemary into my olive oil and I started applying it, I used cloves and the likes. I noticed a difference in my hair growth. I noticed a difference in the density, the thickness of my hair. And it is more or less like no turning back, right? So you can infuse this in your oil. Rosemary has been proven to have hair growth properties scientifically, and also you can infuse it, right? Moving on, ensure that you wash your scalp. Let me tell you for free, hair growth cannot thrive on dirty scalp. Wash your hair, your scalp regularly. If your scalp is clean, it will promote healthy hair growth. So wash your scalp, your hair today, ASAP, right? Moving on, you are what you eat, right? You need to eat healthy. I eat healthy. Like try to, eat fruits and food that contains protein because your hair is primarily made of protein, which is the keratin, right? So you need protein to actually, make it way stronger. Make your hair strands way, way stronger. So that is where your fish, your eggs, your omega-3 fatty acids, which includes your chia seed and the likes. And also you need to take fruits and vegetables to nourish you from within and out. So once you're able to do all this over time, consistently, you should be able to see a difference. You should be able to see a difference. And also, once your hair starts growing, you need to actually master the act of length retention. And for you to learn that, just go to my previous videos. I don't want to make this video extremely long. Just go, you see it. I think it's 2 videos or 3 videos down so that you can, knock yourself out by watching it, right? So your hair is growing, but you need to retain length, 1, and 2, you can stimulate it with what I mentioned, right? And yeah, regular scalp massages. Before I forget, you need to massage your scalp regularly. This would actually promote blood flow, which will improve or stimulate hair growth, right? I hope this helps, and I'll see you in my next. Bye, guys.